Welcome back to another episode of Rico Soul Italia Eats. In this episode, we'll show you just how we put this delicious turkey and ham club sandwich with avocado slices, bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes together. So without further delay, let's get into our video. For starters, let's get our bacon in the pan. Then we'll set it to the side when we're finished cooking it. Our bacon is now finished. Here's our lettuce that we'll be using for our club sandwiches. And here's our avocado that we'll be slicing right this minute. Next, she'll peel these avocados and then she'll slice them as such. Here's our sliced avocado. Next, the wife will slice this tomato, and this too will be used for our club sandwich. Here's our sliced tomatoes. Next, we're going to toast up 6 pieces of bread for our sandwiches. Next, we're going to add some mayo to our 6 slices of toasted bread. Next, it's time to start layering our meats. We'll start with our smoked turkey first. Next, we'll layer our honey ham. We'll do the same order for the second sandwich. We'll layer the turkey first and then we'll layer our ham. Next, we'll add our American cheese. Next, we're going to grab these 2 slices of toasted bread and we'll add mayo to the other side of them so that both sides have mayo on them. Next, we're going to layer our bacon on top of our bread. Now we're going to add our tomatoes. Next, we'll add our avocado slices. Next, we'll add our lettuce. Now it's time that we add our toasted bread, and then we'll slice these sandwiches up. We'll add 4 toothpicks to each sandwich to keep them stable. Now it's time to cut our club sandwiches. time to plate our sandwiches. And there you have it, a turkey, ham and cheese club sandwich with bacon, avocado slices, lettuce, and tomatoes.
Go on in, first bite. I love this. The avocado, the tomatoes, the lettuce, the bacon, the ham, the cheese, the turkey, everything just goes so well together. It's a beautiful sandwich indeed. The avocados certainly take it to a different level. Make this sandwich, folks. You won't be disappointed. I promise you. Bon appetit, peoples. Bon appetit. See you guys on the next video.
Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Comments are encouraged, and thanks for watching. But most importantly, don't forget to bon appetit, peoples. To bon appetit.